left, down, right, up.
Real rude.
Oh,
Yeah, that's me going.
You guys remember those Real American Heroes commercials? Is that a thing people in the not South know about?
I don't know if that played well in the North.
Who do I want to be? I got picked first. So, stop it. Sniper's probably not a good choice for me. We're gonna turn off glass.
Yeah, fuck that glass.
We're gonna put on command. And basically, I'll control item picking. Now, who do we want? Yeah, I'll be this guy. Oh, not that guy.
Yeah.
This guy. The Huntress. I'm very bad with her. Everybody says she's really good, but I don't know how to use her yet.
What's her?
She has a bow and arrow that she can just shoot like real fast all the time and keep moving like away, but I'm bad with her.
Oh.
This guy I've won with before, so I'll do it. Now you pick.
I'm picking the goddamn chef.
Yeah, for his chocolate salty balls.
Yeah, so
With
I can...
the chef, you'll be using the knife all the time. What?
What the fuck, dude? Hello? Get into a spot where it's not empty.
Try that again.
Well...
That was odd. I did hit the button, right? Let me make sure. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think I hit the button, but I had a feeling.
God damn, that was like... Sonic Boom.
Okay, now I'm good. Alright, let's go to the left first. Actually, I lied. Let's go up first because that's the shorter distance. Yeah. One of your skills, it's whatever your fourth one is, improves all your other skills. Like, you use that skill, then you use another one, and it'll use it on the first time, and then you can do it again.
I'm so used to Acrid being, like, low on the ground.
Oh, yeah. The guy I am doesn't have a movement skill, so I'll be slow-paced at times.
Do I have, like, a little, like, mini run?
Yeah,
thing?
your movement skill. Whatever Acrid's creep was. You can come back down here, there's nothing up there. Well, there's one thing, but it's not useful for us.
Real American here. That shit was always, like... stupid. But beef jerky for these two people making fun of my family.
We didn't even talk about
Real
that
American hero.
Yeah, we didn't even talk about that.
No, it slipped my mind.
Oh, open that container down there.
Oh, this?
No,
statue?
no, the container.
Oh, I didn't see that.
That's a shrine. Don't play that. Oh. I guess you can't open shit. Or
I swear I did last time.
Oh yeah, you did. How do you do it then?
I don't...
It's one of the face buttons. Whatever, we'll figure it out later.
Yeah, this guy bought us beef jerky at the store.
And neither of us
Eat beef jerky? We were making fun of his family, to be honest. Not really, though, but kinda.
We just got an infusion, by the way.
Like Black Pentecostals, it's not real. Until it is real. Wait, what else is going on?
I'm gonna go buy this chest and we need to find the teleporter quick.
Oh shit, you're not doing so hot.
I'm fine.
See, creatures.
Just run that.
Please don't leave this all up to me. I'm not ready for that.
You're the better character here.
We were talking about push pops, and he bought us beef jerky. What a dick.
I'm the one. Don't stand where he's gonna land, basically. That's my hint to you.
What the fuck? Okay. R1 is not there.
That should hurt a little bit.
our rope safe from this guy?
Yes.
Thank God. Ooh, that's a lot of jumping.
Yeah, we should be able to do it with that. It's not really tough.
Ooh, they all looked up to me. Well, we saw these black women wearing skirts, and it's cold. So we, you know,
all of them wearing skirts.
All of them, yeah. So Pentecostal, right?
Probably.
Yeah, we're just like not really
they dress
talking.
Like it, but
yeah.
it just didn't look like it.
I didn't know black Pentecostals were a thing.
Okay. Gonna give us a guardian.
Can't go swimming with boys in the pool. I know that.
Oh. Okay, so I just noticed only I get items when I pick them up, so I'm gonna have to let you take some of the items eventually.
Oh man, that's fucking. It should be both.
Yeah, certain things, like if it's a chance for an enemy to do something on death, it'll affect both of us, but not everything's like that. These should be the rest of our guys here.
Okay, alright. Go, just keep on jumping.
Oh yeah, if you get on the level above them, they can't get to you. Like where I'm at. And you just stay up here and keep throwing.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. And what I'm going to do is buy an attack speed up, and you can pick it up. And I'll do that for the next green I get to get you an infusion. Okay. Ooh, this is a really good item.
Like, I guess the guy was, or he was just doing like Christmas spirit type thing. But beef jerky.
It's a hard decision. I think I will get the missiles and a use item. Cool. We'll take this one. And I'll get you the next use item we get.
Mm-hmm.
Don't teleport yet. Okay. You come down here and take this. Ah, just because. Gotcha. And I'm gonna get you an infusion here too.
Will that be circle?
Yes.
I can't wait.
Alright.
Cannot wait.
We still got money, that's so come to the right.
No.
Yeah, you can just come to this one. You don't have to be up here.
But beef jerky for the two young adults behind me. Real American hero. Like, dude, he could not have picked a worse.
I appreciated the sentiment.
Yeah. But we ain't eating that.
Yeah. Lindsay's gonna give it to her brother.
Who may not eat it either.
I don't know, he's a tubby one.
Yeah, he's fat, so chances are, yes.
Oh, I think we already got everything on this thing. Sucks.
I think even if he wants it, he'll be very skeptical of it because it's coming from me.
So I'm gonna come down here and play this until I'm out of money.
He's very suspicious of me. In like a giving nature.
Yes. You can come get this speed up.
Yeah, I need to be faster.
Yeah, you're a faster character than me, but I don't think it's a bad idea for you to have it still.
I look like, from this far away from the screen, I look like a torso, space, and then feet.
I think it's like a wheel.
Oh. Oh, maybe. Ooh, there's gonna be some children up in here.
By the way, when I use my use item, we're both gonna need to be on ropes because they can hurt us. Don't fuck with that booger goblin. Just come down. You gotta find the teleporter. Oh, speak of the devil. So we need to find a rope to get on, like this one on the left, and I'll use my item. You can use your squibs on everybody.
Awesome. No.
Turn the wrong way.
Do I have to be pointing it?
Yes, you have to be facing when you want to hit. But my item is so good. Yeah, did a lot of work for us. Now we can probably try and run until my item's ready again.
Suck on that.
Next green item we get, I'm gonna get you the shield item.
Okay. I will kill all of your children, Yetis. I'll do it.
You're squibs already. Good stuff.
I want there to be more of them.
My item's a lot better. You love it, so I'll let you have it.
Yeah.
If I were going for best item, I probably would have given. You want to get away from that booger goblin.
Oh god, I didn't even see him. He snuck up on me. Goddamn booger goblins.
Oh, they're too good.
They're too sneaky.
Nerf booger goblins. Yeah, this is the item I would have
You know,
gotten.
I pictured, Nerf, like, the company.
We're gonna get up on this rope to the left over here. Or to the right, my bad.
Oh god, I started going left.
Oh, be careful. Okay, get up on the rope. Should be okay. Yeah, just stay on the rope. Nothing will hurt you as long as you're on the rope. Okay. I need to get rid of this fucking jellyfish, and everything else should be easy to take out now.
Alright.
Come over here and use your flips facing those guys. Good job.
Suck it! I wish there were more, like, dents of...
Come take this
Whips.
rusty blade. Okay. Because you probably hit enemies more than I do.
I'm the chef, I should have the rusty blades. Or no, I shouldn't.
Yeah.
I shouldn't.
A big thing with my character is indirect attacks. I drop landmines and turrets. That's two of my skills there. And then my other skills, throwing grenades. And I have one that's a really powerful thing. Okay, you come take that.
Oh yeah.
So now you have a 60 health point shield that it's spongy. So if you had like 200 damage dealt, you would have the 60 and just have to wait for your shield to recharge. Alright, get up on this rope with me. I'm going to use my item.
Only 8 dudes left. We can take them.
Yeah. Might as well do it the cheesy way if we can.
Like, Sterling and I are grateful that that guy bought us beef jerky. But there was ice cream right there. And we were talking about it. We were calling
We were
black...
talking about it to cover up what
Yeah.
we were talking about.
We were calling black Pentecostals push pops. Because they were there. And who doesn't like push pops?
Diabetics.
They still like them.
Maybe
Hell, they might even
you
still
should
eat
probably
them.
come use your whips on the boss here.
You ready for this?
Oh, that's a red item. Oh yeah, he summoned booger goblins.
I didn't know!
It's okay. It's just one.
You warned me when I saw him!
And they're almost dead. I'm gonna have to think though when I check for this red item. You should probably be down here where
Yeah,
I
I
am,
was
but
gonna
not
do-
there.
All that's happening.
Remember, a lot of enemies, they can't climb. So you can be safe on a ledge above them. Okay, let me think. I'm gonna take this.
We were saying, like, I've never seen those kind of push pops, or that many push pops at a time.
Okay, you come take this.
Oh, X-ray specs! Awesome!
The lens maker's glasses. It's just higher crit chance. Coming?
I'm doing it. I forgot the whole X.
And one more enemy. Oh.
I told Sterling that we would have got something way better than beef jerky if beef jerky wouldn't have been right next to the register.
Yeah. I just got myself a double jump. I'll get you on the next green item you get.
Damn right. You
God, where's the last enemy now?
hiding like a bitch.
We're gonna have to go up.
Yeah. Come on, we're not gonna kill you even though we killed every other thing here. Buddy?
It's doing a lot smoother for you than
Well, yeah, fucking...
But of course we all have glass on. He's down here.
Oh.
Look at your arrow, the way it's pointing.
Ooh, it's just a chow.
You didn't tell me there'd be kids, man.
You didn't say nothing about no kids. Just blow it.
I wish I had a movement skill. I'm so slow. You have one.
Yeah.
And
Look
also,
at me. Look at my skillful movements. I'm like a ballerina.
Yeah. Mine that should be a movement skill is those green balls I just shot.
Oh man, you got green balls.
Teleport's down
Yeah,
here.
I was like trying it. I was trying it out.
Alright.
I wish there would have been like
I think this is the full bridge.
anything other than beef jerky there.
Okay, so I'm just checking out the right side to see if there's loot, and then we're going to go back to the left. So I'm pretty sure this is the layout of the level that we can go to the secret level on. Don't forget about your use item. Might as well use
Oh,
it
yeah.
anytime you can.
God, I feel like I don't do a whole lot of damage.
Just keep on running with me. And don't forget, like, you can do the skill that improves your knives and then just throw the knives while you're still moving. Gotta find that teleporter soon. You're almost dead, by the way.
Oh my god. You're exactly right.
I'll take care of these guys. I'm just trying to get killed.
Yeah, you didn't know my boy was tough, did you?
Okay. That's how we get to the secret level, but we're not going yet.
Okay.
You can use your squibs again, and then in a second. That was helpful. Now we need to go down this road. It's not your boy that's tough, it's the fucking landmines I drop and run.
Okay.
Yeah, don't fuck with
Oh
that,
shit,
man. Just get
that
out of
guy
there.
is a guy for
Yeah,
certain.
just come with me. He'll keep teleporting if he's in
Come
my-
with you if I want to live.
Basically. Yeah, he'll keep teleporting if we can see him. So, gotta keep running.
Cue black-eyed peas now.
Keep running.
Yeah.
The storm just get stupid. Remember, use your quits
Yeah.
whenever. Alrighty, so teleporter could be to the left here. It is not. I was looking at the chef. They were like, why are my mines not going here? Okay, pick something. I'm gonna take a bustling fungus. Next white we get, I'm gonna get one for you.
I want the double jump.
Well, that's a green. But the next white, I'll get you the bustling fungus. What that does is it lets you heal super quick if you're standing still. Come on, man, just keep running. We gotta get to this teleport. And don't stay and fight those guys, basically. Just come with me.
Okay,
And
Terminator.
run quick, see? Alright, let's get on this boat.
Oh yeah, unleash it on them.
We actually might not be as safe as I hoped. Now we're good. Okay, we can get off. But let's kind of do a loop around the level so no enemies like pile up too much.
Okay. Oh my god, everywhere.
That's why we don't want to stay in one spot, because they'll all spawn in one spot. And we'll worry about loot once all the enemies are dead. We're already pretty high on
Oh
time.
god, I
so.
did not even notice it. Like I was falling.
Pretty proud of you. You're holding your own.
Because I have like an OP character, dude.
Yeah, it's like commending someone for doing well with his Basil. We should be able to get you a double jump, like, pretty easily too, because there's a lot of the chests that have at least greens. Just run past all those spiders. I'm gonna use my iron.
Oh, there's a gentleman up there.
That's a culprit. This is too good of an item.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
What did I... You died.
What?
It's okay. I don't know what hurt you, but it's okay. You'll come back.
Smashed?
Yeah.
Smashed.
I don't know. Well, that's not telling you how you actually die. Oh shit. I could have died. Just get away from this prick.
That guy looks very tough.
He is. You probably got hit. You were near the top of the rope and there was a guy who was doing electric damage to you.
I thought if you were just on the rope at all, you were good.
It's okay.
Well, damn.
Survived longer than probably anyone expected.
Yeah, so take that, anyone.
I can be a little cheesy too.
Yeah, because he tried to trap you. But with a wrap there. God, I wanted to use my webs on this dude. Probably would not have done much.
Have the chance later, but this is the only level he spawns on.
Oh.
I'm just dropping fucking landmines. Oh,
Damn.
that sucks, because could have gotten you the double jump there.
Oh, damn it. He's just, like, fucking face planted.
I'm gonna take this. How many do I have left? 34. They're probably mostly down there, too.
Yeah, all in one big fucking pile.
Yeah. The thing that sucks about you dying, though, is I can't get you a lot of items. Or any. So, I'd be best off taking items that basically affect both of us.
It's your play, dude. Coach took me out.
Coach murdered me.
Coach murdered me, man. Coach found out I went to a party before the game. At like 5 p.m. It's a fucking weird party.
They let my charge go.
Yeah, I fucking forgot about it. Being a thing. That guy looks like fucking Plankton.
Yeah, kinda.
But if Plankton actually, you know, got stuff done. But even he couldn't get it done, not today.
I think that one should affect us both.
You're only 2 levels ahead of me right now, though.
No, you haven't been dead that long.
No.
I need another speed up pretty bad. And I'll go ahead and get a second one of these, because, like I said, I think it affects us both. It's a chance for Elite to drop items, so I can make up for the items you didn't get.
Oh, okay. That's pretty crazy that coach murdered me. I'm just trying to imagine like an assistant coach being like, "Where's Davis?" Oh, I took him out of the game permanently. Oh, we're gonna have to deal with that after
Everyone
the game.
at the coach table high fives.
The coach table. That kid was a prick.
Nope. 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 Nope.
You would think there would be a lot more coaches murdering the kids. Yeah, for not getting the state.
They're too busy fucking the kids.
Too big. Shit. Oh yeah, you thought he had it all? You thought he was a star quarterback with lots of girlfriends and money?
Yeah.
That was until Bill Cosby became the head coach. He popped his pudding. Pudding pop.
Doop dop.
Doop pop and doop. I feel like Bill Cosby says pudding instead of pudding.
Probably.
Puddin'.
But
Puddin'.
I don't know the guy that well to convert.
I know Cliff Huxtable.
Let's take.
I'll testify in court that Cliff Huxtable didn't rape anybody. He might have been. Bill Cosby might have been wearing a Cliff Huxtable sweater while doing it.
Yeah, he's got a lot of sweaters.
I know. He got to keep all of them too.
Look at me, I'm being brave, using this item without being on the loop. As long as I'm in the air, it shouldn't hurt me. If it even hit me, which it didn't. Just gonna drop all the landmines.
Those landmines, dude.
Yeah, they're pretty good. They don't do a ton of damage, but like being able to do damage while being a pussy is not a bad thing.
Real American here. I can't imagine I've played anywhere else but the South.
But do you know?
No. Because I'm not listening to that. Anytime I've ever been in the North, I'm not listening to that station.
Well, I ain't trying to hear all your conjecture.
Conjecture. Is somebody sawing right now? You hear it?
No.
What the fuck?
Is
Come
it
on!
That sound?
No, it's a chainsaw.
No, I don't hear that at all. I think you're cray.
That's funny because I'm fucking hearing it.
That's why I think you're cray.
No, you're cray for not hearing it. Somebody's doing yard work out there.
Survey says. Nah.
I don't know. I have no idea how you're not hearing that, dude. It's like it's a joke.
I'm seriously hearing nothing.
It's like zzz, but like far away.
Oh, dude, that's just my vibrator.
Do you have a vibrator in your ass right now?
Yeah, that's the only way I can play games. They're no fun otherwise.
I can only play games when my fucking prostate's getting massaged. Otherwise, I'm not into it. Oh my god.
Prostate is a hilarious word.
It is. It's fucking funny, and it's like a very specific way of saying man asshole. Like you can't use it when talking about a woman. Not really.
Well, it's not the asshole, it's a...
I know, it's like
it's an organ you access from the asshole.
I know, but we both know how you get there. Through the butt.
I should know where I've been. I guess I'll take another double jump. No, I'll take this. I really wish it would let me, just, you know, pick some items for you.
Yeah, like put them in your pocket, right? You gotta have pockets.
I got a Polly Pocket.
No, you don't. Otherwise, you'd be a millionaire now.
I mean, I don't own Polly Pocket.
Or you're just borrowing it from your...
Wait, they're not that rare, are they?
I think they're one of the ones that's worth a little bit of money.
That's dumb.
It's... Oh, man, I wish I wouldn't have gotten rid of all of my Polly Pockets since I had all of them. I had Polly.
You imbecile.
Did you call me an imbecile?
Yeah.
I had Polly. I had her black friend.
Oh,
Polly.
That's Paul Nene.
Paul Nene. This fucking Pawanda, you fucking racist prick.
Oh, wait, is she a fucking Jedi?
It does sound like Padawan. As a matter of fact, yeah, she was. What of it?
Good for her.
She was a special Phantom Menace Polly Pocket.
That's rare for a colored woman. That is such a funny phrase, colored.
Colored is, yeah. Colored and Negro are about the only racist ones to say. I like pale face, but when concerning blacks, I say colored and Negro. If I'm trying to be funny.
You always trying to be funny.
I know. Always never take anything serious.
Go to the level. Do it.
Colored is pretty antiquated.
Give it a second. It's not doing that. It's supposed to just, you stand here and you hold up.
Oh yeah, secret.
But it's not letting me go. Maybe you can't do it on co-op.
Oh, probably not. Or both of you have to be live. Let me press up over here.
Oh yeah.
I'm pressing it.
Well, I gotta stand still for a second and then do it. Nothing. Oh well.
Ooh.
It's okay. It's basically, it's good because it lets you get another, it re-rolls this level after you beat it. It's a very short level, like small. It doesn't have any chests, but it's got a couple bosses on it. And then it lets you play one of the, like, third level levels again.
Colored. That is pretty hilarious. When you think about it.
Ooh, Magma Barracks. We may die here.
Oh man.
Yeah, there's a boss that is rough.
Is it like 4 of those worms?
No. His name's the Cremator.
The Cremator? Oh my god, I'm terrified. He sounds like a hardcore wrestler.
Got a quick teleporter.
Like, not a WWE wrestler, but like an ECW.
It already spawned one before I hit the teleport. So did you see those flaming rocks?
Yeah.
Those do a ton of damage.
Oh, Cremator, you're somewhere.
And we're not safe on ropes from them either. Apparently. So
but that's the deal.
What you need to do is follow me. Follow me.
Where you
don't
at? Okay.
to the left. I'm gonna use my item. Don't stop jumping at all. Oh, I wish you hadn't gone down there. This is lava.
Oh god.
You're in it. You gotta get up. Here. You're going down.
Yep. Yeah, dude.
Alright, just...
Cremator, what do you think about squibs, bro? Oh, it's over.
Yeah. I don't think I'll last too long.
Ladies and gentlemen, here on ECW, the Cremator.
It's this fucking turtle asshole down here.
Oh, don't call him an asshole.
You're any better than asshole, though.
He didn't know any better. That's just the way turtles were raised. In that they weren't raised. They were pooped on a beach and then they go into the ocean.
Probably should be spamming my,
I wanted to use my squibs on him.
You hesitated too much in that lava for that.
I know. I'm just used to like, oh, you're in lava, you're dead, try again. But that's not the way this game works.
Let's see if I can get up on the rope. I cannot.
Oop.
It's not a good place.
No, it's like the worst.
Ooh, that's good. At least it gives you a fair idea of where those shots are gonna land.
Yeah. The Cremator versus Steve.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the more intimidating names for a boss.
Yeah, like Cremator. Holy shit, he's gonna kill me and then burn me?
He's not gonna, and then that's just the same time.
He burns me alive and puts me in a decorative jar?
It streamlines the process.
You're very efficient, Cremator.
Too efficient.
Oh god, yeah. That's what you say in the movie version. He can cremate how many bodies at a time? By god, that's too efficient.
So I'm gonna have to... Oh.
I want to just see him. I want to get a look at him. I imagine he's massive.
I don't want to be close to him though. Because then I don't have much time to... until he's the last thing left. Because I don't have much time to dodge those. Yeah, why don't I just stand where they're at?
Yeah, well, it sort of looks like that's the way that you're choosing to do that.
What a shitty place for an item to spawn.
Yeah.
I cannot get that. Oh, look at my health.
Uh-oh, it's dwindling, sir.
Dwindling's putting it lightly.
Well, it's coming back now.
Yeah, but he could one-shot me. Now my shield's back.
Cremator can one-shot burn you to death.
Yeah, he's no joke.
No, he isn't. Cremation isn't a joke. He's a really, like, big advocate for cremation.
I wish his shots hurt them. That'd be nice.
Baddies can't hurt baddies.
In some cases they can. I don't know if they can in this game.
I don't think so.
Alright, so I need to use my item. If I stand still for a second, I can heal really fast. I don't know if he can shoot me all the way over here or not.
He is gonna try.
Well, try as he might. He sure seems like he can. But I only need like a second to get really healed.
That's like, try as he might. He's trying? Okay. Okay, I thought he wasn't trying as hard as he could. But he is.
It's asking the earth to lend their energy. I got a drone?
What kind of hippie bullshit did you just say? Earth
I was talking
lending.
about how you charge a spirit bomb. Thank you.
Well, that's fine. I thought you were like reading a postcard with a tree on it. Earth lend you their energy because hula hoops help you communicate with nature somehow.
I just dropped a couple turrets down there to hope.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that direct hit. It ain't no joke.
I thought it was a joke, but it's not a joke.
Alright, if you could hit the cremator, son, that sure would be swell. Well, I only have 2 enemies left.
Oh shit, one of them's a cremator.
And he keeps landing shots on me, so I'm afraid to try and get close.
Where's this other?
You know what's funny? Your shield's back.
Oh, okay. Dude, I forgot I was even playing. There you are, you bitch. Oh, is he? The turtle is him?
Yeah. Not as intimidating as you thought.
No. Let's go back to me just knowing his name. I thought he was just like, when you showed me the turtle, I thought he was just like decorative.
Yeah. My landmines seem to do really well against him though, because I can just drop him there and he'll touch him. So I think this character has like a severe advantage that other characters don't. It's him.
Oh yeah, like if you didn't have landmines? Yeah, like me throwing my knife at him. At his hard outer shell.
Yeah, as he's shooting those.
Yeah. Not great.
Yeah, I just drop as many as possible.
Alright, tell me you didn't just hear that dead body drop.
I heard that sound.
Okay. Thank you.
But I'm not sure that was a body.
Yeah, come on. It was either a bowling ball or a dead body.
I gotta get out of there for a sec.
Man, if this game didn't have regenerating health.
Impossible.
Yeah, for real.
And if jumps weren't dodges, impossible.
So many, like, things with this game.
Oh.
You don't want to be in the lane.
He's so close. This might be...
Oh.
No, it'll be my second time actually killing him. But the first time I did, it was on a loop, so I was already really powerful.
Oh.
There we go.
You're dead, turtle.
Alright. I gotta get in the lava to pick an item. It sucks. Oop. Might wait till my health is higher. In the meantime, just pick up all the other shit. I just got a drone, so I'll get this. Oh, get out of the lava, sir.
Sir, please.
Take one of these.
Yeah, get that icy. Get that ice to cool his.
Yeah, I really like the icicles.
Pull his heart, his hot Italian heart.
Another jump for me.
God damn with the jumps.
Alright, quick chance. Were there any more chests? I can't remember.
Oh man, I don't know. I do not know.
I do know there were some items down here at least. The harder they find.
Yeah, real life? Nah, not going back for these items.
You dead if you
Yeah,
did.
you did. Even like putting a toe in the lava, you're dead.
Man, probably standing on these fucking glowing platforms, you're dead.
Oh yeah. Even if you have one of those like foil suits, you're dead.
Yeah, because that's just like lava that's just cool enough to not be a complete liquid.
Yeah. But it'll fucking kill you if you look away from it. For like a second.
Oh, I need to know what green item I want before I do this. Let me heal up all the way. Okay, I think I... Oh, I can't get it.
You can't get it?
Yeah. Well, let my shield come back. I'm gonna have to hit it in midair. Okay, there it is.
Oh my god.
I had to pick something
Yeah.
real quick. That's not really what I wanted, but
Yeah, I didn't want to die.
I can play this one time. We'll take these just for fun of it. And here we go. To the level with all those bugs that shoot the green shit. So we'll see how long you make it there. I'm still mad about this fucking item.
Alright, okay, let's see, let's go.
To be fair, I think you probably would have lived were it not for Cremator. Okay, so more important than anything, we're going to want to save up for that chest.
Okay.
And honestly, I think it'd be a better idea if you had the same use item as me, so you should probably come pick that up.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so come up here and switch. I need to get out of this area.
Oh shit.
Okay, well,
Um,
I don't think we can get it now. Let's just get out of here. There'll be more, don't worry about it. Don't forget about your movement skill.
oh yeah. Oh god, there's just so much crap everywhere.
That's why you don't stop moving. And we really need to strengthen you out with some skills.
Yeah. Oh god, there's dinosaurs everywhere.
Yeah, use your whips on.
You'll never take me, you bastards! Unless you do. Then
I'm
you
gonna
got
use my items so jump like crazy. We might be dead. I need you to come this way, Kelsey. I don't even know where you are. I'll leave.
I'm like right here. But it ain't looking too good for me, and I know.
Yeah, I was trying to get us out of there. You kept bouncing on that.
You told me to jump like crazy.
Well, I didn't say jump like crazy in one spot.
You did not say it either.
But why would you assume we'd stay still when we haven't done that for several levels?
Maybe we just like switching up tactics on them.
Well, I mean, we're not trying to keep a romance alive here. I need that teleporter with,
Hey, baby, I'm used to you moving all the time. What is... You're still moving, but like... stationary.
Not my favorite position.
Stationary? He just... His lay next to each other. Nobody move. This gets me super hot.
All this not
Dude, it's over. It's fucking over.
No. I'm not Mark McGrath.
And you're not Mark McGrath's former girlfriend, Jenny. Because he seems like a guy who'd go out with a girl named Jenny. Because he got her number from a bathroom. 8675.
Oh, Mr. Overlord. All hell.
All hell. Him overlord.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Do, it's over.
No, it's not. Don't be fucking nigga.
Alright.
Where is the goddamn teleporter?
Oh my god, we did not even find that. We went like all the way over there.
Yeah, I thought I'd been over there.
Have you been all around the world?
I wouldn't say.
No.
So,
It's probably like down somewhere.
and well, I went as far down as you can go. Okay.
Maybe there isn't a teleporter this level.
So basically, it's an auto game over by just not being able to stop enemies.
Yeah, the game's ruthless.
I agree with that.
It's not nice. It's not a nice game. What does it say?
It's styled upon.
I heard it before. Come up with something better.
Need to use my eye. Oh, there it is.
It's fucking right there. See?
Well, I didn't come over here. I came out here.
Oh. 90 seconds to move.
The real threat is these fucking guys.
Alright, you took care of them.
Yeah, mostly my icicles. I get a lot of health ups if I can manage to kill everything. All the mines.
Alright, you just interrupted the dinosaur tea party there.
I do not need to stop that every second.
Oh my god. It's over.
Yeah. Yeah,
Bye.
that was fun.